Flawless makeup application begins with the right tools, and the brushes you choose can significantly impact the results. From blending liquid foundation to creating precise contour lines, a reliable set of makeup brushes is essential. In this video, we'll explore 7 of the best makeup brush sets for 2024, each carefully chosen for their quality, versatility, and value. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these options will elevate your makeup game. Let's dive in. Number 1. BEAKEY Makeup Brush Set, 18 pieces. The BEAKEY Makeup Brush Set is a favorite for its comprehensive range and remarkable value. With 18 high-quality brushes, this set includes everything from dense foundation brushes to delicate blending brushes, catering to every makeup need. Packaged in an elegant zippered case, it's perfect for travel and organization. Each brush features silky soft synthetic bristles that are cruelty-free and gentle on the skin. The bristles are densely packed, allowing for smooth application and blending of powders, creams, and liquids. The result is a flawless finish, whether you're creating a natural daytime look or dramatic evening makeup. The handles are made from durable wood and are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, ensuring precision during application. The craftsmanship extends to the sturdy ferrules, which keep the bristles securely in place even after frequent cleaning. This set is not only practical, but also stylish, with a chic, professional look that appeals to beauty enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a beginner building your collection or a professional seeking reliable tools, the BEAKEY Makeup Brush Set is a must-have for flawless results.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Koccido Makeup Brushes, 22 pieces. The Koccido Makeup Brushes set offers an impressive variety with its 22-piece collection, making it ideal for anyone looking to experiment with different makeup styles. The brushes come in a sleek storage pouch that combines functionality and elegance, keeping the brushes protected and organized. The synthetic bristles are ultra-soft, ensuring a luxurious feel on the skin while providing seamless blending and application. Their density allows them to pick up just the right amount of product, minimizing waste and maximizing coverage. From foundation to eyeshadow and lip brushes, this set includes tools for every makeup step. The handles are lightweight yet sturdy, crafted from premium materials that ensure durability and ease of use. The ergonomic design enhances control, making it easier to achieve professional-level precision. This set also features small, detailed brushes for intricate eye makeup, making it versatile enough for everyday use or glamorous looks. With its affordable price and high-quality materials, the Koccido Makeup Brushes set is a game-changer for makeup enthusiasts. Its extensive range of tools allows you to explore creative looks with confidence, ensuring a polished and professional finish every time. Number 3. BEAKEY Makeup Brushes Set with Blender Sponges. The BEAKEY Makeup Brushes Set is an all-in-one package that elevates your makeup routine with its thoughtful combination of brushes and blender sponges. The inclusion of 2 blender sponges adds versatility, making it perfect for both blending foundation and setting powders. The synthetic bristles are soft yet firm, offering the perfect balance for applying creams, liquids, and powders. Their high-density construction ensures even distribution of product, leaving no streaks or uneven patches. The sponges are equally impressive, expanding when dampened to create a seamless, airbrushed finish. The handles are constructed from durable wood with a smooth, matte finish, providing a comfortable grip and a luxurious feel. The sponges complement the brushes beautifully, allowing for precise blending in hard-to-reach areas like the corners of the nose and under the eyes. This set is particularly appealing for its versatility and affordability. Whether you're applying foundation, contouring, or blending eyeshadows, The BEAKEY makeup brushes set delivers exceptional results. It's an ideal choice for those seeking a comprehensive, high-quality set at an accessible price point. Number 4. Real Perfection Makeup Brush Set, 16 pieces. The Real Perfection Makeup Brush Set lives up to its name, offering a well-rounded collection of 16 brushes designed to handle every aspect of makeup application. From large, fluffy brushes for powder to small, precise tools for eye details, this set ensures no step is left uncovered. The synthetic bristles are ultra-soft and glide effortlessly across the skin, providing smooth and even application. They are dense enough to pick up and deposit product effectively, making them suitable for both light and full coverage looks. The bristles are also hypoallergenic, ensuring they are safe for sensitive skin. Each brush handle is crafted from polished wood, combining durability with a lightweight design that enhances control during application. The sturdy ferrules keep the bristles securely in place, even after frequent washing. The set comes with a stylish storage pouch, making it convenient for travel or organizing at home. With its combination of quality, affordability, and versatility, the Real Perfection Makeup Brush Set is a fantastic choice for beauty enthusiasts of all skill levels. Number 5. Real Techniques Everyday Essentials Set, 6 pieces. The Real Techniques Everyday Essentials Set is a streamlined collection that focuses on versatility and performance. With 4 brushes and 2 complexion sponges, this set is designed to simplify your makeup routine while delivering professional results. The brushes feature synthetic bristles that are ultra-soft and cruelty-free, ensuring a gentle touch on the skin. The dense, plush texture allows for seamless blending of both liquid and powder products. Each brush is color-coded, making it easy to identify their specific purposes, whether for foundation, blush, or eyeshadow. The handles are crafted from lightweight aluminum, providing durability and a sleek, modern aesthetic. The sponges are a standout feature, expanding with water to create a flawless, airbrushed finish. They are perfect for blending foundation, applying concealer, and setting powder. Compact and easy to use, the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials Set is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Its minimalist approach ensures you have everything you need for a polished look without overwhelming you with too many tools. Number 6. Makeup Brushes with Case, 20-piece set. The Makeup Brushes with Case set offers an impressive 20 brushes, each designed for a specific makeup task. From fluffy powder brushes to precise eyeliner tools, this set has everything you need to achieve a flawless finish. The synthetic bristles are soft and flexible, making them ideal for blending a variety of products. Their high-density construction ensures even application without shedding, even after regular cleaning. Each brush is labeled, providing guidance for beginners and convenience for seasoned users. The handles are made from high-quality materials that are both lightweight and sturdy, ensuring durability and ease of use. The accompanying case is a practical addition, offering a sleek and protective storage solution. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or someone who loves experimenting with new looks, this set provides all the essentials in one stylish package. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their makeup routine. Number 7. BS Male Bamboo Makeup Brush Set, 11 pieces. The BS Male Bamboo Makeup Brush Set stands out for its eco-friendly design and exceptional performance. The bamboo handles provide a natural and sustainable alternative to traditional materials, offering a lightweight yet sturdy grip. The synthetic bristles are soft and cruelty-free, ensuring they are kind to both your skin and the environment. They work seamlessly with creams, powders, and liquids, providing smooth and even application. This set includes 11 essential brushes, covering everything from foundation to eye makeup. The minimalist design of the brushes complements their functionality, making them a beautiful addition to any makeup collection. Durable and easy to clean, the BS Male Bamboo Makeup Brush Set is a testament to the idea that sustainability doesn't mean compromising on quality. It's perfect for eco-conscious beauty enthusiasts Looking for a high-performance brush set? The right makeup brushes can transform your routine, making application easier, faster, and more flawless. From budget-friendly options to eco-conscious designs, these 7 sets offer something for everyone. Upgrade your tools and take your makeup skills to the next level. See you in the next video.